Alright, hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a gaming video. I changed plans every Wednesday now. We're going to be playing Roblox or Granny with my brother or just me. I introduced my brother a few days ago, but I would like to start doing a channel with him just so I build a relationship with him and me and y'all, of course. Are you in, Luke?
Yep. We are not in the game yet.
But I would like to be asking y'all, what do you want me to play on Roblox or download games on my phone?
Hey Adam, am I allowed to do a sponsor?
A sponsor of what?
What's on the TV right now?
Oh yeah, go subscribe to Socks43.
I love that channel.
Yeah, he does love that channel.
Oh yeah, I think when you buy Robux, you use the code SOCKS. So then he gets Robux too.
Why would we do that?
So then he can do more incredible stuff. Okay, I'm on Build-A-Boat. Okay, I'm in. And right off the bat, my character's glitchy. Wow, this is so beautiful. Right, Adam? It's so beautiful.
I guess. You're gonna join my team.
No, I'm on the white team. My character's literally glitching. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Someone help me. I think I'm going through my middle life crisis in Roblox.
I'm joining.
I'm resetting my Oh yeah. You can nickname people, so not because I nicknamed Adam.
Luke.
Oh, yep, I got it. Now.
Oh, guys, if you go to Five Below anytime soon, get those knockoff AirPods. They're the best.
I'm joining Adam's team for some reason.
I'm green team.
I know Roblox more than you. Am I still on my team? Okay, I changed. I just changed. Yippee. Whoa, Adam, you're doing it one by one when I just haven't done it. I haven't built it already.
Good for you.
Wait, my hands is glitching again. I don't even have my hands on the tablet. Whoa, stop! I'm not Adam, look!
Go on. Alright, guys, so I'd like to know what you would like to see me do. I'm not sure what my brother is doing over there.
My character is literally glitchy. Oh yeah,
But while he's over there, I'm going to be...
Please?
Do I have any spots saved?
My character is literally taking over. My character won't even...
Alright, come on, Luke.
I'm trying!
Give me my tablet.
Oh yeah, If you try really hard, you can see our old brother's YouTube channel. His name is Connor. Last name Armstrong. He played Donkey Kong. County. I think I said it right. I don't know. I'm going. No, I'm back in. Okay, I'm going back in. Whoa, Adam, you're still building one block at a time. When I
don't
could just
care.
load the Luke and Adam. Yes, I called it the Luke. No, I think it's the Adam and Luke. I don't know. Do, 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 do. What? You know what, Adam? I'm turning on PvP mode.
What's that?
I'm going against you, Adam.
No.
Yes, I'm going PvP. You can.
Do I have any floor?
PvP. I'm going against you, Adam.
No, I lost connection.
About it. Okay, Adam, join the white team. It's one of the best. Oh, my character's glitchy again.
So guys, I'll probably be doing a lot of Granny and Build-A-Build stuff on Roblox.
Great. Wait, I keep forgetting I can just load it. I'll join the white team.
I am. You won't accept me.
I don't see it.
No, you're not in here.
You're in the wrong side. I'm joining.
I'm gonna paint the whole town red.
Gonna paint until I'm dead.
Paint the whole town red. Paint until I'm dead.
Wait, I'm gonna paint this whole town red. I'm gonna paint until I'm dead. I'm loading the Luke and Adam.
Alright guys, as you've seen, we're having a little difficulty. So, I'd like to know what y'all, I've said this a lot already, I know it. Just tell me what you want to see. I might be able to make it happen. I might not.
Oh yeah, we'll be checking the TV on the comments, so it better be something good.
And once I get to 50 subscribers, I will go live doing this.
Adam, am I going to be with you when you go live?
Most likely.
Probably because that's probably today or tomorrow.
I have to have 50 subscribers.
Adam, don't get on the trophy you used. Don't get on the one you used to be on. Okay?
Well, I won't.
Adam, what are you doing? Adam, what are you doing to my beautiful creation? That's
Oh my
fake.
gosh.
What?
Alright, bye guys.
Huh? Wait, we never